So a few months ago, when I introduced you to the Thrivalist Exceptional Preparedness Company, I told you that it was a new company and that they were soon going to be introducing a lot of new products. Well, they're matching that, they're meeting that promise, and they have just introduced their own line of freeze-dried meats. Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And Thrivalist, if you've been following what we're doing, Thrivalist was a relatively new company that we are launching onto the bigger scale of online and not just out of their little storefront. And when we were first introduced to them, they had their own line of freeze-dried food called Ready Harvest, but they only had fruits and vegetables. They didn't have any of their own meats. So in the interim, they have been reselling Mountain House meats and Mountain House foods. If you go into their website, you would see the Mountain House products that they sold. Well, starting just last week, January 1st, they have now introduced their own line of freeze-dried meats in the Ready Harvest brand, which is their own brand. They have ground beef, they have chicken, and they have sausage crumbles. And they're brand new to Thrivalist. Now, if you're familiar with Thrive Life that we used to have, these are actually the same meats, the same product, the same quality of meats that Thrive Life had, because we've brought several of the executives over from Thrive Life to Thrivalist, and so they're recreating the same thing they did at Thrive Life. So 3 great meats: ground beef, chicken, and sausage crumbles. Now, they are having an introductory sale for these during the month of January. You can get them at 20% off. Well, they have a bundle where you can buy one of each. And if you buy that bundle, then you can get 20% off of the price. Plus, if you join the monthly subscribe and save, you can get an additional 10% off plus free shipping. Now, that free shipping is only in for the continental U.S. Unfortunately, we can't do that for Canada right now, or for Alaska or Hawaii. Everything that's going on with the tariff wars with Canada right now makes shipping to Canada more expensive than it used to be, and so we can't provide free shipping to Canada. The food is still available; you'll just have to pay shipping on that. But if you're in the lower 48 in the continental U.S., you get free shipping on any order over $99. I wish I had some of the cans here so I could show you the cans and show you using it or whatever, but it's so new that I don't even have it yet. We've ordered ours, hasn't even come in yet. But I wanted to get this information out to you so that you can take advantage of the sale, because the sale ends on January 31st. Now, this January special, the meat bundle, is in family cans. That's this. There you go, Ready Harvest. Now, this is cranberries because I told you I don't have any of the meat yet. But it comes in this size family can. It's a 1 gallon can. There's a lot of meat, a lot of product in each one of these cans. Now, a lot of you have also been asking about pantry cans, and I keep telling you that they are coming. I keep being told that they're almost here. So I'm very much anticipating the introduction of the pantry cans, hopefully very soon. I also wanted to tell you that Thrivalist is in the process of clearing out all of their inventory from the Mountain House products that they have been carrying. So they're all on sale. They're all on clearance sale. So if you go to the website and you click on food and then click on Mountain House, all Mountain House products, you'll see those. They have a lot of cans of food. They have a lot of pouches of meals that you can purchase. They're all great stuff, and they're all on terrific clearance sale. So check that out as well. So the link to my website, to my Thrivalist website, is down below. Go ahead and check that out, and happy shopping during the sale.